In this video, I'm about to review HiSmile. HiSmile is a teeth whitening brand that has gained attention for its innovative and easy-to-use product. Known for its signature PAP Plus formula, HiSmile promises to whiten teeth without causing the sensitivity often associated with traditional whitening methods. The products are cruelty-free and designed to deliver noticeable results in just a few applications, which appeals to many users. While the brand has received positive feedback for its sleek packaging and user-friendly design, some customers express mixed results regarding its effectiveness. Some report significant improvements in teeth brightness, while others feel the results are minimal. It's worth noting that individual outcomes can vary based on the original state of teeth and lifestyle habits such as diet or smoking. HiSmile appears to be a legitimate brand with a strong online presence and real customer testimonial. However, as with any cosmetic products, it's essential to manage expectations and consider review from multiple sources before purchasing. If you're looking for a non-invasive, sensitivity-free whitening option, HiSmile might be worth trying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.